Alright, so it's right here. So first you see of the how to fix laptop of the screen of the walk walk alone of the or move alone and without a mouse, and you see of the that you see, first zoom inside, then you see of the my laptop is weird. Also I'm playing that hobby is every that because line of the that my corners of the my laptop, that is I playing hobby in Roblox. And then how to fix. And the first, what you and you walk sing on the that tab of the things of the my laptop, and you first, and you first can you see that I want to open that uh, FN and F9 for do you open, and thus of the laptop, because I'm using the Indonesian language of the people Indonesian peoples of this of the life, and you see that of the left Windows logo, and click the and click then computer button. First the manage, and then right here computer management, and there's the device manager or explorer if you don't not have, and the right, and this the might and other pointing device or batteries, and you see press it, and because of PS2 update drivers software, and then oh my gosh, my sticky keys is notified, and you're of the how to light close the program, and first then here my sticky keys that last, and you see ours on the how to fix a laptop is the move along of the screen. And thanks for watching, and that's it of the my computer. Okay.